Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, how are you? I hope you enjoy this. Today we are beginning the unboxing for November for my beauty subscriptions. I do have a few more coming, not very many, but I'm gonna go ahead and start off with what I got here. I do have one box left from November. That is the box from Fashionista or something like that. Anyways, I'm going to have the prices of each subscription listed on the screen. I will also have the links to these subscriptions down below in the description. So let's go ahead and get started with this one right here. Okay, so this one does not have the prices list. I don't have a card. Usually there's a card in this box. I don't have it this time, but I will have the prices listed on the screen of the products in this box. Okay, so the first thing we got here is hair essence. I'm not sure what this is exactly. It says, starting at the root, brush your flyaways and baby hair down. Sleek hair anywhere. Throw into your bag for easy touch-ups and no flakes. This is what the box looks like. And let's see what the container looks like. Okay, so this is the container. This is not really a product that I would use, so this is going to go into my next large giveaway. Okay, so next thing we got here is State of Kindly Restore Sleep Concentrate with rose hip seed oil and some word I can't pronounce. Okay, so this is for your face and neck. This says avoiding lips and eyes. I'm not sure much about this, but yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. This is what the bottle looks like. Now I am all about night care routines and stuff that will replenish the hydration in my skin overnight, so I do think this is going to be a good product. Next we have some eyelashes. It says it's base blue, Flying Lashes Swift. I don't know too much about this, but that is what they look like. I will eventually wear them. Alright, next we have Intensive Repair Cream. This is from Jubel Naturals. I don't know anything about this brand. This is the tube right here. Okay, so this is for your skin. I was confused. I wasn't sure if it was for your hair or your skin because repair intensive, I kind of usually think hair. But it does say right here, high in antioxidants that improve skin health and protect against damage. Doesn't really say if it's just for your face or for your body. I'm not sure, but it does say avoid contact with eyes. So I guess that's something. I might have to do a little more research on this. Okay, next and last in this box is Copycat Cosmetics Shocked. This is what the palette looks like. This is eyeshadows, as you can see right here. I am not swatching that because I have tons of palettes with those colors. I don't know anything about this. It might be a great palette, I don't know, but I'm just going to stick that to my next large giveaway. Alright, so the next one we got is my GlitzGlamBox. Yes, I know this is a bag, but that is the name of the company. So they, of course, put the card in it with the list of the products, some information about the products, and the price. So, of course, their stuff always comes packaged like that, really gorgeous. Love it, actually. The first thing we got here is some glitter. This is, let me see here, Glitz glitter from Hot Kitty Beauty. This retails for $6. Can't really tell you much else about it. I mean, it's glitter, it's loose glitter, so you will need something to apply it with. This is what it looks like close up. See if I can get focused so you can see how pretty it is. Next thing we got here is 24 Karat Lip Shine from Nick I think I said that right. Nick New York, and this retails for $10. This is definitely something I will be using, so I'll be putting that aside. Next we got some lashes, which they usually have lashes. Let me see what these are. These are GlitzGlamBox lashes, Sweetheart Lash, and these retail for $12. I really like these ones. They're pretty natural looking, so I definitely will be using those. Very, very cute. Alright, last thing in this box is a palette from Kleancolor. I like the decoration on this. I don't know how I feel about the colors yet because I have no idea. But this here retails for $10. Let me see what the colors are. I may and may not keep it. Okay, so this is what the palette looks like up close. I really love this. I'm very tempted to keep this just because I really like the palette look itself. The colors itself are really, really pretty, but I do have those colors in a lot of other palettes, so I think I'm going to pass this along and put this in the next big giveaway. But I am so tempted because, I mean, I think this is super cute. Alright, next we are moving on to So Susan Cosmetics. This is their monthly box or bag that is always cruelty and vegan, and I believe they call it color Curate. Yeah. And the bag itself is supposed to retail for $12, but they always have this lovely card inside that continues with the theme, and the prices and the products on the back. Doesn't really have a description, but that's okay. Still love their products. First thing we got here is a brush. This is from Jelly Pong Cupid's Arrow Large Powder Brush. This retails for $24. I am definitely keeping this because, I mean, this is so pretty. Look at the design on this. And the brush itself is rainbow. Look at that. That is so pretty. Alright, the next thing we got is Supercharged by Jelly Pong Cosmetics. This here retails for $22.95. This is the container itself. This is what the colors look like. This is not something I'm really going to use. I'm not really sure this is a highlight. No, this is an eyeshadow duo. Don't really need it. I've got these colors in palettes, and I'm more likely to use the palettes than the single. But they are really pretty. Not swatching them. Going in the next large giveaway. Alright, the next thing we have here is Gemstar Lip Topper by So Susan. That is the box. This here retails for $24. Let me go ahead and see what it looks like. This is super pretty. I'm definitely going to be wearing that. Look at that color. I think I'm going to go ahead and swatch that so I can see what it looks like on. That is what it looks like. I think that is so pretty, and it actually smells really good too. I love, love, love the glitter in that. Last thing in this box is from So Susan Cosmetics. It says glam-free. I don't know. I'm not going to pretend I can say this word. But this is a blush and highlight palette. And this retails for $45. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. These are the colors. I already have palettes with these colors, so again, this will go into my next large giveaway. But those are super pretty colors. Do love. Alright, the next subscription we got is Tribe Beauty. I guess that's like that. But this is an every other month box. I really like this one because this one focuses on independent brands, and I love supporting independent brands like that, so I think that's super cool. So let's go ahead and get into this one. Okay, so this is the card that comes with it. It has a brief description of the items as well as the price. All right, the first thing we got here is Able Skin 3-in-1 Glycolic Acid Molecule Boost Eye Serum. And it says this little guy retails for $160. This is definitely something I am going to be using. I use tons of eye serums and creams. I noticed like a few years back that I started showing signs of aging, and I'm telling you, if you start having problems with that, use your eye creams. It will greatly help, and you will not need as much makeup to cover anything. All right, the next thing we got is Nomad Cosmetics Illuminator. This retails for $17. And this one, which is Around the World in Kofandong Moonlight. I'm sure I say all that wrong, but that's okay. I'm going to open this. Okay, so here is the box. I absolutely love Nomad Cosmetics, so this is definitely something I'm keeping, mainly because I'm a diehard fan of their products. They do this thing with their products where they like to get ingredients from the place that particular product is themed, like make that palette or whatever that product is from things that are found in that area. So I think that's super cool. So this is what the highlight looks like, which is purple, kind of a lavender color. And here it is swatched. Very, very pretty. Next thing we got is Suava Beauty Fictional Reality Lipstick, and this retails for $18. This is a really, really pretty color. This was actually a kind of color I was looking for earlier, and it didn't have it, so that's okay. Let's go ahead and swatch. This is a really pretty liquid lip. Very pigmented, and it felt really good on my skin, so I'm excited about that. Okay, so now we got some face masks. This one is Purely's Moisturizing and Brightening Sheet Mask. This has green tea and vitamin C. This here retails for $6. Of course, you know I love my sheet mask, so thrilled about that. And they didn't give me just one sheet mask, they gave me two. This other one is Oi Glow Rich Collagen Face Mask, and this also retails for $6, and of course, super thrilled about it. There is one last item in this box, and this is from Lurella Totally Tubular. This is an eyeshadow palette, and this retails for $29, and I'm literally just going to keep this one because of the theme, because I mean, it reminds me of my childhood. But anyways, this is the colors inside this palette. Very, very pretty. Not exactly a rainbow theme palette, but still really, really great. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these. These are the colors swatched. They actually swatched very beautifully, so I'm really excited about this palette. They all swatched very smoothly and creamy, and I hope it wears as good as it swatched, because I'm really excited about this palette. All right, last box for this video is my base box BoxyCharm. This is an every month subscription. And of course we have the card that they always put inside with the theme and the products on the back with some brief information about the products as well as the price. All right, the first thing we got here is Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cleanser, and this retails for $40. I am actually here for it. Goat milk is so good for the skin. It makes it very hydrated, very moist, and I love all things like that. This is what the tube looks like. And I will be using this so much. I'm sure I'll go through this super quick because I am just excited about it. Next thing we got is GlowOasis Milk Dew pH Balancing Moisture Milk Toner. That is the box right here. This retails for $34. I do use toner quite a bit, so I'm never upset about getting some of that. It looks like it is a spray bottle, which I prefer anyway. It is in glass, which makes it feel very luxe. Milk is really just such a wonderful thing for hydrating your skin and balancing it. So a toner with it, I am very thrilled. Next we got L'Oreal Beauty Face Disc. This retails for $24. This is basically an eco-friendly way to remove your makeup. I do have some that I'm currently using. I don't know if I'm going to pass this on to someone or keep it for another time, but I am going to keep it for now and possibly use it. Okay, the last thing, or next thing, because I have one more thing after this, is a Trust Fund Beauty Better Than Therapy Lip Oil, and this retails for $18. I really enjoy lip oils. There's all kinds out there right now. Some of it is very much so just an oil. Some of it, it's like a thick oil where it feels more like gloss, but that is what this looks like. This has some glitter in it, which of course you all know I love red glitter. I don't know if you will pick up on camera. It's very fine. Yeah, it's not showing on glitter, but it has some very fine sparkles in it. Very pretty. And the last thing in this box is Violet Voss Violet Sunset Pro Series. Now, I do really enjoy Violet Voss's eyeshadow palettes, so I'm going to see what this looks like because I may or may not keep it depending on the colors. Yeah, I'm not going to keep this one because I have tons of palettes with similar colors. You see that? Very pretty colors, but again, too many palettes with similar colors, so I'm going to pass that along. This is a $37 palette, and it will be in my next large giveaway. Anyways, that is it of this video. Let me know your thoughts below on these boxes and items. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you'd like more content like this, please don't forget to subscribe. Otherwise, I will see you in my next video.